evening, everyone. This is Rich Jet, aka Jet's alter ego, aka Chloe's grandpa. I just wanted to get on here for a minute because I've been grinding. Not for a whole long time, but I've been grinding some today. Because I made a video earlier. There is the bedrock address for Opblocks. We're going to Opblocks Survival. But I made the video earlier and I tried to grind and my skeletons kept getting stuck. Well, it got fixed. So I've been grinding some today. So I just wanted to show you. Big shout out to Bluff and to Sound for hooking me up with a new improved spawner. Dang it, come on. I thought I was in pink Mike. Oh, this phone is horrible. But here we are at the top of the spawner. As you can see, there's, whoa. Man, laggy. There's plenty of spawn mobs. If you can see right there, it says skeletons. This is a skeleton-based spawner. So we sit here and wait for the skeletons to build up. And all the other mobs will build up with it. See, there it jumped. So we just sit here and we wait. And we wait and we sit here. Guess what we're doing? We're sitting here. But I've been killing just some today. Dang. I gotta restart my phone. I'm only sitting at 230,000 kills. But like I said, I haven't been on a whole lot today. In between a nap and talking to my wife. So you just sit here and you wait for that number to get to 1,000. Then you just sit here. And you sit here. But I used to have to do this in my other grinder. So I'm used to it. Because I would run out of mobs. So I'm used to it. How are y'all doing today? If you haven't watched, episode 37 came out today. And I got a question for all them guild leaders. Hit me up. PM me if you see me on. You know what I'm saying? Tried to get a couple guild members today, but they're kicking in their own guild, so it happens. I'll either get guild members or I won't. You know what I'm saying? We're almost there. Well, we're close enough. Let's do it. I can't wait. Drop down here to the skellies because they don't get stuck anymore. And you find your rhythm. Find your rhythm. Rich. Quit being dumb. Find your there. Come on. Yeah. The only problem is your index finger gets sore by tapping the screen for too long. So try my thumb. See if I can get it better with my thumb. There we go, maybe. You can tell when multi-kill is working because you hear all the other mobs dying. Because if you go too fast, you're not killing much. So, a slower rhythm, you know what I mean? It's just hard to get that rhythm going. Yep, this is what I enjoy doing in the game. Hit the rhythm. You can tell I'm an old white guy. I have no rhythm. This is why I don't play drums. I would be horrible at it. Keep it in rhythm. I can't. I'm incapable of rhythm. Incapable. We threw in that +2 guild power, and there we go. We go back up here. We go back here. We sit back down. That is how I be using my new grinder. That's what I've been doing when I'm on today. All right. Just wanted to show you it works and to give great shouts and thanks and all of that to Bluff and Sound for hooking me up. All right. Y'all have a great day and God bless. And always remember, God loves you and so do I. Bye.